So the big question is, guys, is there a duck in our shower? That is the big question. Well, we're going to find out in a minute. So how many people with motorhomes use their showers? How many people in their motorhomes use it as a extra wardrobe to put their wine in, to put their waterproof clothing in, to put their dog in? How many people do you know use their showers? Do you use your shower? Hey guys, we're always using our shower in our motorhome and we absolutely love it, and the best time to use it is this time of year in the winter when it's cold outside. You don't want to go up to the shower blocks at the campsite when it's freezing cold. Yes, this is the time to use your motorhome shower, and it's literally as easy as hitting the button, scrolling to the water temperature you want, eco, hot or super boost. So we normally go for hot, we normally go for about 10 minutes, and you've got water for a steaming hot shower. So in we go then, and there's that lovely little bit of matting that I trimmed out the other day, and the next thing is to get the illuminations on. So I've got that automatic light that we fitted the other day, so I'll just turn the switch on so we can get an aspect of our shower cubicle. And this is so lucrative in this Burstner motorhome. This is why we just love it so much. So at the moment, the standard bathroom like layout of this van, so you've got this lovely sink there, and obviously you've got your beautiful hot water tap up there, but in the corner is this lucrative little catch. And all we need to do to get into shower mode is push that one in and undo the door, and it swings across, and basically up at the top is a magnetic catch, and it just snicks against there, and you have got your cubicle made ready for the shower. Look at that, how nice is that? That's what it's all about, guys. Anybody that's fresh to motorhoming and wonder how you have a shower in your motorhome, just get in your motorhome. Look at this, we've got all the illuminations up here. We have got the shower head up there, look. And so in this motorhome here, it's always nice to have some very nice compartments for storing your, so when we don't leave it there all the time, but when you're ready for your shower, your shampoos, your body scrubs, your washes go there. And yes, there is a duck in our shower. There he is. And he's looking quite festive, actually. I think it's the Christmas duck. But so what we do next is get naked. Get real, guys. Have you seen the temperature outside? So clothes on at the moment. This video is you know, for everybody, you know. So what the next thing we do is we take out our newly trimmed up mat, and then the mat comes outside, so you can just come out after you've dried yourself off a little bit, but you can still stand on this lovely mat to get your clothes back on. Yeah, so there you go. Like, you can just step out of the shower like that, and step on the mat and redress yourself outside the shower. We'll just step back in the shower, and then what we do is shut the door. And this is pretty, I thought I'd just sort of like do this because a lot of people, you know, maybe that don't have motorhomes and like wonder about showers in motorhomes, and we have got this little shower curtain that you can easily just pull across, and it's magnetized on there, so it slips onto there all the way down through, and that becomes your lovely shower curtain to stop the water splashing against the door. And obviously at the moment the plugs the drainage plugs are in. So what we normally need to do is we need to take that one out, and which we love about the Burstner motorhome is it's got two, so you can just extract them, so you've got loads of exit where the water needs to exit the shower tray, and they are really big on this one as well. On the roller team it was really small ones, and we just love the size of these drains. It's just like in your house really, so it drains away the water really quick. I'm just going to come back up through and show you. So we normally stow, obviously when the shower is not being used, we stow the shower head away, and when you're ready to use it, down it comes like that, and all adjustable, and it's super nice. And down by my duck is the shower tap, so, and just nice to get it adjusted in the right position, because this does get super hot, the water. Be careful, because it does get, with the Troomer, it gets absolutely steaming hot. So yeah, basically in you get the water temperature set going, and I normally sort of have it just kind of like dribbling a little bit to start with, until the temperature gets about right that you want it, and then go for the blast. And basically, hello, I'm in the shower. But yeah, so then basically it's a case of what we would normally do to conserve a little bit of water. You know, these pumps are ripping through, probably a 3-minute shower would probably rip through approximately about like 20 litres of water. So what we normally do is you like whack it on for a minute, get yourself wet, get your shampoo in your hair, and get your body all soaped up, and then literally just like turn it off then, get yourself all soaped up and stuff, do whatever you want to do, and then it's just literally another minute to rinse off. So possibly two minutes of water flow, 3 minutes, depending on how you want to, and well, just for me it's another chore of refilling the water tank when so we try and conserve maybe a little bit, but it's have the shower what you want, and it's all really nice. So when you've completed your shower, I normally kind of like stand in here and I sort of start brushing the water down the drain hose, trying to exit all the water you possibly can, and then it's time to exit. So we need to just take off the magnet shower curtain and tuck it back out the way over there. Little popper there just pops on, and then you're ready to open the door, and there's the lovely mat that you can step out onto on the floor, and with obviously with the carpet down underneath there as well, it's all lovely and super spongy, you know. I mean, it's just nice to get out. You got the heating on, it feels good, and out you come, and get yourself dried down a bit. And yeah, the next thing what we do is, we call it our flunky. We have a kind of like one of these chamois style cloths, chamois style flunky, whatever you want to call it, floppy, absorbent, leather, chamois leather style material. I think this is like a synthetic one, to be honest, so they're pretty versatile now. Keep it in a bag, stuffed in there. So the next thing will be out with the flunky, down on the shower tray, and wipe all the walls down, the surfaces, and just squeeze it down the drain. Just get as much as that moisture out of the tray, the walls of the panels of the shower, as much as you possibly can. And it doesn't take long, to be honest, with the so we have got a heater vent that comes through, so if you have got the heater on, it soon gets warmed up, dries out, and all that you have to do then is, when it's all nice and dry again and all the water's gone from the floor, just put the stoppers in, put the 2 stoppers back in, and there you go. That's not bad. And then it's just a quick flip round operation with the door. And so yeah, I need to should have stowed the head a little bit, but it's just squeezed it around out of the way. But our position is up there vertical, and then it drains all the way down, nothing's going to drip out, so it just stows like that, and it's all cool, it's all good to go. I normally drain it out, to be honest, and then put it back up, but there we go, back in the toilet mode, all lovely and clean again, ready for next time. So yeah, we'll just put our little mat back in. Mat fits in there nice and snug to give you that nice surface back again, so it doesn't feel like a shower tray when you're stepping on it just for the bathroom mode. But how good is that? And these little lights the other day so I'll turn that off, and then we'll just let's get it a little bit darker. There we go. Look at that, how effective is that? So shut the door, and I've got a nice little bit of light to use the toilet again. And normally the vent on the top would be open to vent it all out of the shower, so you get all that moisture gone, vent it all out, and yeah, and then it's all shut up again, nice and cozy. And then, after a nice hot shower, time to relax in the bed. So will I sort of just finish off the video? Thanks for watching the video. I hope that's kind of like maybe inspired you if you've not been using your shower in your motorhome. If you're unsure what it's like to have a motorhome shower, it is the best feeling ever. Get in your motorhome, and we are sort of, you know us, we've been on campsites before. There's a shower block down the road, and or down on the site, and it'll be like, are we going down there? The heating's on in here, you're really nice and comfortable, and you just sort of like, nah, jump in. Rechargeable LPG is the way to go. Don't worry about the gas, just have some comfort in life, have a piping hot shower, and it is the best ever feeling. And you can be having that shower in the mountains, on the lake, on the Mediterranean, wherever you want to have your shower, have your shower. So I'm going to leave this video there, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and give us a thumbs up. Look forward to getting a comment on how you use your shower and what do you use, and have you got any toys that you take in the shower like me, like a nice little duck, a festive duck. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.